chicos! Good morning! How are you today? Guess what? Today is Friday and it's the last day of the week. And today we are going to cook. Where is Teacher Tony? I'm in the kitchen. Can you see the space? This is the kitchen. And what are we gonna have? What are we gonna cook today? Here we have some things I like. I like ham. I like cheese. Chicos, do you like ham? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do you like cheese? Yes, I do. Or maybe you say, no, I don't. So, this is gonna be a great lunch, a great meal for you to enjoy. Maybe watching a movie, maybe watching a video, whatever you want, ¿ok? Lo que tú quieras ver en la tele lo puedes hacer acompañadito de un rico lonchecito. Yes? Okay, chicos. Now what are we gonna do? We are going to put the ham here on the plate, and then we are going to put the cheese inside, okay? Vamos a ponerlo just like this, and we are going to roll the ham to make delicious rolls like that. One. I choose two, okay? I choose two because I am not quite hungry. No estoy tan hambrientilla. So then we are going to make just two. Then we are going to roll. Do you like ham? Yes, I do. Do you like cheese? Yes, I do. Then, chicos, here we have two rolls with ham and cheese. But guess what? We can join this meal with an apple. I like apples. Yes, I do. Or maybe cookies. Do you like cookies? Yes, I do. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. And then maybe with some juice. Yes. Or water. Or we can join this with milk. Okay? Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Maybe you say, no, teacher, I don't like milk. I prefer juice. I like juice. Tal vez me puedes decir, no, teacher, I don't like juice. I don't like milk. I like water. ¿Sale, vale? Y con esto puedes compartirlo with your brothers, with your sisters, maybe with your mommy. And then you are going to enjoy your meal with in a delicious weekend, en un finecito de semana así rico, watching the television. ¿Sale, vale? Como tú lo quieras disfrutar. ¿Sale? Que tengas un lindo fin de semana. Enjoy your meal, enjoy your weekend. Recuerda que te quiero mucho. ¿Sale, vale? We see each other next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye.